Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be making coasters that are waterproof. For this, I will be using a technique that gives a beautiful glaze to your project and can also be a good alternative for epoxy resin art. So now let's get started with this tutorial. I bought these MDF coasters from Craftangles. These are really smooth and that is why I won't be polishing them with sandpaper. I will first apply gesso and then color them with chalk paints. You can also use acrylic colors instead of gesso and chalk paints. For the designs on my coasters, I am going to use transfer on sheets from Crafttywings. However, you can use any brand of image transfer sheets. So let's quickly fussy cut some designs. Now, very carefully peel off the protective film from the design and stick it face down on the coaster. Next, spray water on the design and begin dabbing it with a sponge or a cloth napkin. You can also use a wet sponge for this process. Keep spraying and dabbing until the backing of the design begins to slide off. And there, our design is transferred on the coaster. It is that simple. We'll repeat these steps for our other coasters too. Earlier, I had made a video on the basics of image transfer with 5 different project ideas. If you haven't seen that video, click on the I button above. Make sure that you don't touch the transferred design immediately as you may get the prints on your fingers. Let the design dry completely. And now comes our main step. For this, I am using Liquid Glaze from Craftangles. This is a 100 ml bottle that cost 199 rupees. All you have to do is just pour a thick layer of this liquid on your coasters and begin spreading it. Make sure that you cover your work surface with newspaper or a plastic sheet, as this liquid permanently sticks to the surface and then cannot be removed whatsoever. Keep pouring more liquid glaze to get at least 1/8 inch thick layer. You won't have to use a decoupage varnish to seal your project. I find this technique to be a simpler version of epoxy resin art because here you don't have to worry about mixing the liquids in the correct proportions. You need to let this liquid glaze dry for at least 24 hours and then these coasters are good to use. They become water resistant also. And this is how they look after 24 hours. Look at the beautiful glaze that it gives, just like epoxy resin. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to write your queries or suggestions in the comments down below. Also, please subscribe to my channel for more such interesting content. Thank you for stopping by and stay safe.